Generative Artificial Intelligence, or Generative AI, is a relatively new term that is being mentioned a lot when it comes to AI chat engines such as ChatGPT and AI-generated art from platforms such as Midjourney. The promise of generative AI is that it can create new and unique content tailored to a user's needs. This can be used in a wide range of industries such as art, entertainment, design, manufacturing, healthcare, and education. In the field of art, generative AI can be used to create new and unique pieces of music, images, and videos without the need for any human input. In the field of design, generative AI can be used to create new and unique products, such as fashion and furniture. Beyond these somewhat obvious examples, healthcare can use generative AI to create new and unique medical treatments, such as personalized medicine. The education sector is watching closely how this new technology evolves, because students are now using it to create essays and reports that are hard to distinguish from those written by a human. An Australian company recently released a tool indicating if a piece of content was likely to have been written by an AI platform. Generative AI is now big business, and Microsoft recently announced that they would take a 49% stake in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, investing a further $10 billion on top of the $3 billion they've invested to date. Reports say that Google is now nervous with a new AI kid on the block that may disrupt their multi-billion-dollar search advertising business. I first spoke of the power of and the threats from deepfakes back in early 2019, which was an early form of the generative AI technology, and it's only getting better with time. So, what should you do now? Here are some of my actionable tips. Sign up for an OpenAI account and understand what the platform can and cannot do. Experiment with AI art generators from Midjourney and Varna. Why not assign someone in your team to understand how generative AI might enhance your business, but also what threats may exist if you're in the business of creating content? I believe that generative AI has much promise because the companies I've mentioned have removed the friction from the process to allow a novice user to harness an AI platform with little training. The media has also picked up on these trends, which have widened the exposure. 2023 will be an interesting year and might be when AI becomes of age and the broader business community starts to adopt these platforms into new and existing workflows. Are you ready for the power of AI? Let me craft a talk for your teams or clients that breaks down the jargon and looks at how it will impact your business in the next 12 months.